Today I'm reviewing this SDARA Skincare Derma Roller. It has 540 titanium needles in this roller, and they are 0.25 millimeters in length. So this is the box that it comes in, and you can see it's nicely packaged, all sealed up. It has this nice tray for storage, and you could put some alcohol in here for your sterilizing. In this video, you're going to see the results of my using this derma roller over a 6-week period, and I'm going to show you exactly how it's recommended to be used. Derma rollers can be used for something called microneedling, which creates controlled damage to the skin and, as a result, produces wound healing factors in the skin. At the length of 0.25 millimeters, these needles do not penetrate the skin deeply, which is considered a good thing for beginners. So for about 8 to 10 minutes after you've used this derma roller on the skin, it opens up channels in the skin where some products can be more easily absorbed. Regarding applying products to the skin after using a derma roller, I've listened to a lot of dermatologists, and I would recommend that you do that before you apply any products to your skin with a derma roller. That being said, my experiment is going to be using the derma roller alone without applying any products. When people use a derma roller like this, a lot of people might be expecting to have an increase in collagen production, but using only 0.25 millimeters might not be enough for that purpose. For a derma roller like this, it's recommended that you use it 1 time per week. I'm going to be doing it for 6 weeks, and in this experiment, I'm going to see if it makes any difference to the areas where I derma roll on my skin, and I'll be doing it on my face and also somewhere else where I'm going to show you. These derma rollers do need to be replaced, and it is recommended that you replace them about every 6 uses. I'm going to be demonstrating how to use this derma roller, and you're going to see my skin now using it for the first time, and then again in 6 weeks after using it 6 times. Before you use your derma roller, you're going to either want to submerge it in alcohol or spray it down with alcohol, and if you spray it down with alcohol, wait about 1 minute after spraying it before rinsing it off with tap water, and you'll rinse it off with tap water whether you spray it or you submerge it in alcohol before using it on your skin. You're going to want to wash the area of your skin where you're going to be derma rolling and pat it dry before using the derma roller. Next, you're going to gently roll the derma roller horizontally and vertically. You can go diagonally, but about 5 times total. So for me, that might look like rolling once this way, twice this way in the same area, and then once this way, twice this way, 3 times this way in the same area. My understanding is that you lift the derma roller off the skin after going one direction. So go this way, lift. Go this way, lift. Go this way, lift. Also, you don't want to change directions when you're rolling. So for example, you don't want to go like this across your face, just horizontally or vertically and lift off. So as I've said, I'm going to be using it on my face, but I'm also going to be using it somewhere else, and I'll show you that in a minute. So here we go. I'm going to do half of my face to demonstrate. So start with the top. And I am using firm pressure, but not super hard. And that would be considered 2 passes on that area. And I'm going to finish it with 3 passes going vertically. And 1 more. Now I'll go ahead and do this area here, straight across. And a second time. And vertically. And a second time. And a third time. And I'm going to finish the rest of my face off camera, but that's how you do it. 5 times, like I said, I did 3 times vertically and 2 times horizontally, and we do it once a week. So now that we've used the Derma Roller for the first time, I'm going to do it 5 more times over the next 6 weeks, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you the results. So you'll see those results next before we finish this review. So it's been about 4 weeks since I last used the Derma Roller. I used it for a total of 6 weeks. So it's been 4 weeks since the last time. I wanted to give my face a chance to heal before I finished this review up. So I'm going to give you a close-up look of my face so you can just see what it looks like now. I'll also shine some light on my face in case that gives you any better idea of how it looks. So regarding the results I got using the SDARA Derma Roller, I'm going to let you decide what you think based upon what my face looked like before and what it looks like now to you. One thing I do want to point out though is that there was a mark that was right here on my face, and that mark has diminished to almost being not there anymore. You can go ahead and take a look at this image right here where you can clearly see that mark, and then if we fast forward to today, you can see that that mark is almost gone. So that could be as a result of using this Derma Roller. Something to be prepared for. During the 6 weeks that I was using the Derma Roller, I always had bumps on my forehead that were as a result of using the Derma Roller. So I'm assuming that's a natural reaction of the body to being intentionally injured. But now that I'm 4 weeks out from the last time that I used the Derma Roller, my forehead skin is almost completely smooth again. So you also saw that I used the Derma Roller on a scar by my wrist, and I really don't think that it made any difference that's noticeable to that particular scar. You probably need longer needles to have an effect on an actual scar. I also want you to know I did use another brand of Derma Roller while I was doing this experiment along with the SDARA Derma Roller. I would use this SDARA Derma Roller 1 week, and on the following week I would use the other brand of roller. Now they both have the exact same amount of titanium needles, so they're basically the same, and I would think that because of that they'd give the same results, but I wanted you to know that. So what do I think about these Derma Rollers? I'm not sure that I would want to use them on a regular basis, but I do think there can be potential benefits, like for example how that mark on my face here has been diminished. I do have mixed feelings about derma rolling because it involves damaging the skin with a needle, and that is new to me, and I definitely don't think derma rolling is for everyone. But it does make me wonder, because the effect of causing this minor trauma to your skin can have potential benefits, it makes me wonder what other ways without needles that you might also be able to get some benefit. For example, massaging your face or something like that. So what do you think? Are you going to try a derma roller? So I hope you enjoyed my review of the SDARA brand derma roller. If you did like this review, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and share this video. You'll find links in the description if you want to support this channel. You can also scan the QR code to see this product, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.